Ex-Haitian senator sentenced to life in prison over president's assassination. Former Haitian Senator John Joel Joseph has been sentenced to life in prison by a federal judge in Miami for his involvement in the 2021 assassination of President Jovenel Moïse. Joseph is the third of 11 suspects charged in Miami to be sentenced. He claimed in court that the plan initially intended to kidnap Moïse, but it escalated into a plot to kill him. The assassination caused significant unrest in Haiti, and U.S. prosecutors described it as a conspiracy hatched in both Haiti and Florida to hire mercenaries. Joseph, a prominent politician and opponent of the slain president's party, was extradited from Jamaica to face charges of conspiring to commit unaliving or kidnapping outside the United States and providing material support resulting in unaliving. Make sure you subscribe to AYITI on YouTube. Shalom.